victim says there was one perpetrator, and that person shows up in the DNA analysis on the biological evidence that's obtained at the crime scene, that's sufficient. And otherwise, you have overkill, and if you do that, you're going to hurt labs because you're going to have them do way too many examinations, and it'll just backlog their cases and contribute more to the DNA backlog.
Multidisciplinary team meetings are very critical when you're addressing these issues of backlogs or caseloads. You get an understanding of each one of the team members' role in the team, and you make decisions as a team, not as an individual, for the best outcome in the future.
In an ideal world, that day-to-day collaboration and communication with those law enforcement agencies and the prosecutors as far as knowing what their priorities are, knowing what cases have been adjudicated or need the immediate attention, helps to set the priorities there.
It is critically important for lab personnel and investigators to be on the same team and to be communicating regarding issues from the very beginning to ensure consistency in handling of evidence and to ensure that everyone's on the same page in investigating crime.
And certainly the prosecutor needs to understand the different roles at play as well. The prosecutor needs to understand the forensic side and the detectives and the investigator side because they need to understand how the evidence was collected. The prosecutor has to understand the way it was analyzed because the prosecutor is ultimately responsible for presenting a compelling and persuasive product to the jury.
Laboratories define backlogs in a number of different ways. Some labs will count it as any case that's in their laboratory that hasn't been worked yet, any case, regardless if it came in yesterday or a month ago. Some labs will count it as a case that's been there for maybe 30 days, 60 days, 90 days without being completed. It's important that a person understand exactly how their particular laboratory is counting that, so you know, is it a backlog of all cases unworked, or is it something that is fairly manageable? Is it something within a few months? So you need that perspective.